In this video, the students of Aravali Academy played an active court hearing. In this play, the students have shown their dedication towards English speaking, which they have practically learned in their daily English extra classes, the importance of English in our life. They have shown their level and fluency, which was very higher than their ages and classes. Their skills used in this act, speaking with too much confidence and fluence. The expressions made by every student is per their given role, like judge, senior and junior lawyer, the complainant and the accused respectively, their witnesses, the peshkar and the investigation. Each and every student have utilized their complete efforts in giving their best in a short period of time. We must appreciate these students for their wonderful act played by them and encourage them to do better. The basic and the main purpose of this act was to spread awareness and importance of English in our life and to encourage other students to participate these type of activities and play in which they can learn the practical English learning which is taught in the campus of Aravali Academy. We must appreciate these students for their wonderful act played by them and encourage them to do better. The basic and the main purpose of this act was to spread awareness and importance of English in our life and to encourage other students to participate these type of activities and play in which they can learn the practical English learning which is taught in the campus of Aravali Academy. These type of activities and play in which they can learn the practical English learning which is taught in the campus of Aravali Academy.
Tasmia versus Alicia.
The proceedings of the session court should be started. Call both the parties' counsels.
Lawyers of accused party and opponent party should be presented here.
Good morning, Your Honest. I am speaking on appearing on behalf of the defense in the present case. My lord, we are the counsel of accused named Tasmia and Vikanta, residents of Saharanpur. On 18 December 2021, Saturday at 7 p.m., the incident took place. Opponent party, the girl Alicia, said to my client Tasmia, "Drop through the garbage at her doorstep," and her brother Vikanta, a very good and sincere boy, she put irrelevant allegation on my client that he do misbehaving with her when she came from her office. But Vikanta came at 10 p.m., so how can it be possible? And she also put the irrelevant allegation to my both clients. She said that they both get jealous from her profession while they both are rich businessmen or women.
Good morning, Your Honest. I am speaking Vanapuri on behalf of the defense in the present case. My lord, we are the counsels of Tasmia and Vikanta, who are the accused. Tasmia is a good lady and her brother Vikanta is a very good and sincere boy. They will help all neighbors, relatives. They have very good reputation in their society. We don't know the actual reason, but we can say that she was searching the reason to fight Tasmia because Alicia got jealous from Tasmia because she is rich girl.
Good morning, Your Honest. I am speaking on appearing on behalf of the complainant in the present case. My lord, we are the counsels of Alicia, who is complainant in the present case. She residents of Saharanpur. She do a job in multinational company with very good income. So she don't have time to involve in such type of matter. She goes from at home at 10 a.m. and came 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. How can she put irrelevant allegation? Because on Sunday she have holiday. She called the sweepers to clean the colony. And on 18 December 2021 at Saturday at 7 p.m. she stand on her doorstep and her neighbor Tasmia stand on her doorstep. She said, "Please don't throw garbage in front of my house." She said politely, but the neighbor Tasmia used lavishly language with my client. And suddenly her brother Vikanta also came here and he also do misbehave with my client. They throw garbage. After that, they parking the bike, and next day they call their friends. They also do misbehave with my client.
Good morning, Your Honest. I am speaking on appearing on behalf of the present case. My lord, I would like to call the witness from the opposite party.
To the witness?
Yes.
All right.
Witness of accused party should be presented here.
My lord, Tasmia is a good girl. She is my neighbor. She can't protect, she is innocent. And her brother Vikanta. Help everyone. They both brother and sister help everyone on Saturday 2021, 7 p.m. Tasmia was alone at her house. Alicia, her relatives come at her house. She started fighting and abusing with her, but she did not do anything.
You were there on the spot when the main incident took place.
At the voice of the fighting, and I come out from my home, and I see that Alicia was fighting with my neighbor Tasmia.
Alicia, when Alicia is fighting from the Tasmia, have you seen your eyes?
The whole incident took place in front of my house, as my home is near Tasmia, so I know about it.
Let us consider.
Sorry, I am not able to comment on that end.
So you just say that I just know that you are fighting or the conflict has occurred in front of me.
Yes, and they were told about that my house in front her hand, how incident took place there.
Do you have any record of the conflict or the issue?
No, sorry, I have no record.
My lord, thanks all your excellencies.
Okay.
Complainant should be presented.
My lord, I am the complainant. I do the job in multinational company. All the persons in the society has dual job, but she don't do the job. So she challenged my profession why I do the job. Throw the garbage in front of my house because she jealous me and her brother misbehaving with me. And every Sunday I call the sweepers and I clean the city. So how can I throw the garbage in front of my house? I can't. I don't know why she put irrelevant allegation from on me.
But as my client has told that his brother was not there or on the spot who is the brother accused in the present case, himself told him that me or my neighbor called me. Okay, let us consider.
He was there between the fight and whole society seen how he misbehaved with me.
Let us consider that he was there while the neighbors had made a call.
I have nothing to say on it.
Let us consider that he was there then while the neighbors called the maid.
But my lord, the fight was over at 10 p.m. It was a process. He called her friends and bikes in front of my home. I faces many problems.
My lord, I would like to call the accused from the opposite party.
To the accused? Alright.
Accused should be presented here.
My lord, I have been called accused. I am not a culprit. I have not done any crime. I am innocent. Everyone threw garbage there, but she's only me and do wrong FIR against me. She's jealous with us because we have good reputation in society, that we have money and we have our business and that's all. And she put FIR against me and my brother also that I'm throwing garbage and my brother is misbehaving with her. But it's nothing like that. She is wasting the time of court.
Are you aware of the timing when the main incident took place or which is specifically mentioned in the course of this event?
No, I don't specifically remember the timing.
Some of the timing, do you remember?
It's about, I think, around 7 p.m. or near about it. And in December 2020.
Your brother at that time?
He was out of the home.
Right from the beginning, he was totally involved in this incident. My lord, he misbehaved with my client Alicia.
Who is this Vikanand? My lord, he is my brother.
Where was he at that time?
He was out of the home.
Call Vikanand.
Accused brothers should be presented here.
Where were you when the incident took place?
My lord, I was not there. When the incident took place, one of my neighbors told me that there is fighting with my sister Tasmia.
It is honest. We are trying to establish in the present case the witness how is an investigation officer. So would you like to the respected officer of the investigation to come here?
Okay. Call investigation officer.
Investigation officer should be presented here.
Sir, how long you have been working in this particular field to give an expert witness?
My lord, it has been around 15 years in the field on investigation and 5 years to be promoted as IU of the city of police station.
Please tell me, sir, how long and big your investigation was in the present case?
My lord, it comprised of a lot of a number of the people and a lot of witnesses.
What was the actual matter about?
The whole situation which has been assessed and investigation way of the only throwing the garbage in front of house complainants the case of FIR is a misbehaved with the lady named Alicia.
The court, how long you have investigated in this case?
Your Honor, the assistance score of on 18 December 2021 and 7 p.m. For that investigation was started for about half an hour month.
Can you brief me the sources of investigation?
My lord, the sources were in the format of actual some were going against them.
Okay. My lord, now I would like to call the complainant. Alright.
Complainant should be presented here.
Can you briefly describe what happened with you?
My lord, it's not the only matter of throwing garbage. Her brother too misbehaving with me. Going out of the home and coming in my home.
Objection, my lord. The word is misbehaving. What is misbehaving? Again and again you are saying misbehaving with my friends.
Maybe you don't know what is the meaning of misbehaving.
I would like to call the witness.
Witness of complainant party should be presented here.
My lord, I and Amra, neighbors of Alicia.
What is this word misbehaving? Court, will you please consider this word misbehaving?
Oh, you don't know this word misbehaving? How? You don't know how this word misbehaving happens with a girl.
Can you please define the court about this word misbehaving?
Objection, my lord. You are going with my client.
It's not a personal. We are talking in the matter. We are talking in the rules. It's not a personal.
No, this is a personal matter that you are going with my client with personal matter.
It's not a personal. We are talking at the case that what is happening. It's not a personal.
Which is the matter of the misbehavior? Why are you asking again and again that what is the misbehaving?
Can you please define this word? What is this word misbehaving?
Oh, you don't know what is the misbehaving with the girl?
It was the matter of garbage, not of misbehaving. You turn it on misbehaving.
No, this is not the only throwing garbage. The actual matter was the misbehaving.
No, it is not fair. You are taking it now at wrong side.
No, you are saying wrong that it is the matter was only throwing garbage. The matter was actual matter was
It was the matter of throwing the garbage, not of misbehaving. Now you are going at the other.
No, this is the matter of the misbehaving.
Order! No. Don't break the discipline of the court.
My lord, they are going with my client the personal matter.
My lord, it's not a personal. We are just talking about at the case that what was happening or not.
After seeing all the investigation, the court of both the parties, the court is adjourned for the next day.
For me, it is the best. It is the best school of the world. And today we are playing an act of it is court. And I am playing a role of the judge in this case. I am Dora and I am from class 7. Today I am playing the great role of the senior lawyer by the complainant side.
From class 8.
My name is Anand. I am in class 8.
Good morning, myself Felicia from class 7. I am proud of me that I am in Aravali Academy. I lead in Aravali Academy.
Good morning, I am Ramra from class 8. Today Good morning to everyone. Myself Felicia from class 7. Today I am playing the role of senior lawyer by the accuse side on the court of Aravali Academy.
Good morning to all. My name is Ramsha from class 5th. I study in Aravali Academy.
Hello everyone, I am Tasmia from class 6. Today I am playing the role of accuse in this court.
Everyone, myself Isma from class 7. I playing the role of witness.
Hello everyone, I am Ramra from class 8 and I am playing the accused witness role in this.